Now I will work with the product category section. You see that this is the home page, and here you see shop by product category. So this is one place where the category is needed. And if I go to the shop page, you see there is a filter in the left side, and this is another place where I need another category. So how I can work with that? In the admin panel, I will work with that section so that you can understand. Now I am going to open the admin panel, and in the admin panel layouts, I am going to the sidebar. In the sidebar, all other options that are given here, I am going to stop it, and actually those are not needed, but here I write it by this way. So PHP codes are there. So what I can do is I am going to make those stop. So I am going to make all the items stop from here. So it is okay. And also from here I am now going to remove. Okay, so now I can make those like this. Okay, so this was actually the dashboard, right? So like the dashboard, I am going to work with other section, that is the product section or product category, right? So I am going to just copy and paste it here, and that is the product category. So I can write here product category. So this is the section, and here I am going to write what I can write. I can write here the product category. I replace the previous dashboard by the name, that is the product category. But here instead of product category, I can use here the view. So this can be view here, product category view, product category add. In this way I can add the items. So if I now refresh it, you see this is the product category. So hand icon actually does not look good. So what I can do is if I write here file, the icon, if I put here the file, that is good, that is better, I think. If a file, if there is anything by this name, I am not sure. No. If a R file, let's check it. Yes, two types of things. This file is also okay. You can it is better, or I think okay. So just copy this, and I am going to replace it here. So this is another file like this. So first one was dashboard, and the dashboard on you can write here home. So only for the first item dashboard, home is better, but probably if a S home will be here. So now let's check. Yes, dashboard. And I can make improvement of the backend here. For example, the font. So admin font, actually I do not like this one. So what I can do is in the header.php, the font of some was called here, and Nunito font was used here. So I am going to use Open Sans. So it is okay. And now in the CSS, dist admin CSS, I am going to open custom, and all the Nunito fonts I should replace by Open Sans. So I hope it should work better. Yes, it looks better now. And but here the left side icons, I will have to increase the font weight. For example, I am going to search it in my CSS file. So again, go to the CSS for the admin. So in the CSS, custom CSS, I am going to search it, and here font weight I am going to make it 500. So refresh, you see now the weight is increased. If you want, you can make it 600, and now I am going to check. Yes, so it is better actually than previous. So product category I did not define yet, so I will have to create some pages into the admin for the admin files. So into the admin I create product category view.php, then I create product category create, then product category, here I write edit, and another one will be product category delete. So 4 files I create here now. So product category view will be it is like the table format in this page. So copy this, and here I paste it here, but here is only table. So I open the form and check. Yes, there is another one, section header. I copy this, and this section header I will use here. So here name will be product categories. Okay, and here button means here actually add new. Plus is okay for the new items, and here link will be echo admin URL, and here it will be product category create. Product category create.php is the page here. Now what I will do, I will show all the data from the database, but I do not have any table yet. So go to my database e-commerce project, and here I will create, that is product categories. So product categories is the table name, and in this case, you know, I have the category name, ID and photo. Total 3 items will be here. And if you want, you can put slug, but actually probably there will not be any need of putting slug here. For the product table I will create slug, but here I do not need. So what I can do is just 3 items is okay. So create, and here first one is ID, then the name, and then the third one is photo. So ID is auto increment primary key, here name is Bharkar, here it is also Bharkar, for example, and like this. So I create, clicking on the save. This is the product categories table. So from that table I will pull all the data here. So here I will write my query. So PHP select, and here it will be product categories. Here there is no order by, just I will pull all the data, and here just remove it, and then the result is okay, but this one will not be here. And here you see this is the name. Here I can show the photo first, then the name I can show here, and then here this one will not be here. I will create a variable I equal to 0, and when I will be into the loop, here I will have to call the loop. So it is like result as row, like this, and then I am going to put it like this way, because I will write the HTML code here. So I just close the PHP, and so that I can write the HTML outside, right? So what is the HTML here? I am going to cut. Here is a long code. Okay, no problem, I will fix it later. Just paste it here inside. So it is something like that. I paste it in this way, no problem. But here is a modal content, so I do not need the modal content here, so I remove it from here. No modal content needed. So this is the content, main content, and here the first one I also remove from here. So the content is actually here inside this place. So 2 means here actually I plus will be here, and here what I will write, here I will write echo I, okay, and then inside here what will be there, row, and you see row name and price, but there is actually no price. Here is photo and name actually. So here I write the photo. So if the row photo equal to empty, not possible, because it is a mandatory field photo. So I can use just image src, and like this. So into the uploads, here I write base URL. You can write in this way, or there can be another way, that is I just make it separate like this. For example, echo base URL, then uploads, and then separately I can call it here in this way. So echo row of here photo. So name is here, it is okay, and here you see this is the icons. So modal, but here in my case there is no modal, so I remove it. So there is no view here actually. Edit and delete, and those are the icons. That is good. I am going to refresh it. You see this is the product categories, as there is no category, so it is showing like this. And here anchor, I will work with the anchor, and button I will need to make it SM, so btn sm, so like this. And here what I will do, here product like this, admin URL, product category edit, and question ID equal to this one, and here delete ID equal to this one. So this task is done. I will go to the create page, and it will be like the form. So I just copy this form.php base content and bring it here, and here it will be create create product category. This is the page heading name, and here will be product category view, and here view wall, and here I will write the icon like this. Multipart form data is okay. Two items actually will be here. One is the photo and another one is the name. So it will be just input type file, name equal to photo. So first one I put it into a div, it will be better. And another one here it is actually into the 12, and here also 12 for example. So name will be here. So what I will write, no color needed, here name equal to name, and value is not needed here, I remove it. So this is simple. All other items I am going to remove from here, and at last it will be the submit. And here you can give the form name form1, that is okay. After submission it will go to the top, and here I will insert the data. So I write the if condition, if is set, and then post of what, post of form1, and then I will use the try catch block here, try, and here catch equal to here error message. So error message equal to this, and I will write the session of error message equal to this, and it will take you back to the, for example, the view page. Error message, not view page, error message create page, but after successful it will take to my view page. So if empty, that means if post of name equal to empty, name cannot be empty, and then I will have to use the photo. So here I can use the path equal to files photo, and then temp path equal to file photo temp name. So in this way I will have to write. So I check the admin profile where I change the data. Here what I did, I am going to check path temp, these two items I am going to bring here, and then if path equal to empty, you must have to give the photo, right? So here I will have to check if the MIMES type is okay or not. I will have to check it. So something like this. So first one is if path equal empty, so something like that. So after name I will check, first I will call these variables, then check if it equal empty, then I will have to tell please select a photo. So if everything is okay, then it will come here. The file name I will change it, I will give a prefix here, then concat it. So it can be product category, so product category underscore. So this is the name of the photo. Okay, so the name will be, this is the prefix, then the current timestamp value dot, and then extension name, and then this will be here, that is the f info equal to f info open. This one I am going to check the file, the MIME type I am going to get in my hand, and then I will check if the MIME type is JPG or PNG. For example, if you want, you can add more, that can be GIF, that is also okay. And then my task is to work here, else is not needed. So if the MIME type does not match, MIME type not equal to it, this one, so here I can write like this, not equal to this, and not equal to this, and not equal to this, then please upload a valid photo. And if everything is okay in the previous, there is no error, then I can write this, that is move uploaded file. But here I will apply another thing, that is for the category. If I go to the home page, and here if you see the category, you will see that each photo has the same height. So what can be the ratio? The ratio you can guess from here, something like this, 5:34618. So the ratio is something like 300 by 400 or something like that. So I will resize the photo that you will go to upload. So in order to resize the photo, here in the help file, there is a help file here, and in the help file I added this function. One function is to resize the photo by the width and height, and another one that I like, that is the size in the ratio. So here these two functions, I am going to do one thing, that is I am going to copy these two functions and I am going to my config, and here I call another one, that is functions.php, and here I start the PHP tag and then I put this way. So one is image resize and another one is image resize to a square. So here in this case, here I will have to use the system, that is image resize to a square. That means I need the source, and then here what is the function, so source, destination and final size. So my function is this, so source, destination and this. So source is what? Source is where the file, here you see the uploads. Here in my case, what will be the source, and destination, that is destination equal to this, and but source does not match. Source is path temp is the source here. The image will come from that source, and destination is where it will upload. I am into the admin, so I will get out from here, and then there will be uploads folder. Here I will upload the file. Okay, that's good. So image resize to a square is this, and by which size I will resize the image. I can also make it same to same. For example, here if you want 400 by 400, in this way you can also resize the photo. That is also okay. So it actually depends in which size you will actually do this. Here you see the source, destination, and here what I did, here this is the thing resize to a square, and here final size equal to I get original width and original height from the source. Okay, and new width is this, calculate a scaled size fit to yes. So it can be okay. I can make it an square shape. If you want a square shape, then this is okay. So this will resize my photo. Okay, so this will just resize my photo and upload it. So my task is after this, my task is to insert the data into the database table. So here I can write so PHP insert in this way. In which table? This is product categories table, and here you can just wait for some times to see what comes, photo and name. So here what I will do, this is the file name as photo and post of name is the name, and then I will just use the session success message this, and then location will be this and exit, but not straight this. I will use here the base URL, admin URL. So admin URL will be concat here. So here it will also concat the admin URL. So now it should work without any hassle. I am going to check it. So if I want to use this, it is okay. And another, but here, okay. First let's check it. Submit, name cannot be empty. So here photo and name. So I am going to give the photo. So select any photo from your computer. So in my project there is a HTML file. So from the HTML I can take the image, for example the product category, right? So category is probably here. I am going to check the products. It can be shoe category or anyone. I can select it. So name is test category or product category 1. You see image resize to a square. What is the problem? Undefined function. So problem is here there is a problem, that is I did not call it into my header. So into header you see there is a top also in my case. So here it called the config. So similarly it will have to call the functions, and I am going to do the same thing in my header.php in the front end. That means here I call that is the config functions. Now it should work. So close this and close this, and now if I again descend, you will see this is uploaded. So let's check it, what is happening here. So in my e-commerce project, here uploads, the product is uploaded here. Okay, so you see the product size is exactly 400 by 400, and the white color comes in both size. But if you do not want to upload the product in this way, you can do another thing, that is the height and width ratio you can give here. So it depends actually that how you will write. I am going to do one thing here, that is I want to give the desired. Okay, I am going to copy this. Okay, so now I am going to the chat GPT, and here I am going to have the new chat. This is my image resize PHP function code. And here I am going to tell the ChatGPT I want to input not only final size, not final size. That means not 400 by 400. I want to give input both desired width and height, like 300 by 400, but the ratio will not lost. How to convert the above code. So you can just wait for some times, and you see it will just keep the original aspect ratio, and target will be wide and height both. So in this case, what it will do, it writes me the function in this way using the scale new wide, new height. Is it okay? Target height, it divide by target height. You see that mean is target height divided, but what is in wide, that I get from here. So in this way it write the function to me. So that's good. So I can just copy the function, and another function is going to be added in my functions.php, image resize and fit, for example, and that function I will call here. So image resize and fit, and here two parameter. I want to make an image by 300 by 400, but the ratio will not lost, right? So how to do that? So I am going to upload another photo and check if it works. In the product categories it is okay, on product is here. I am going to add another product. So product, here is product category 2. If you submit, it will not happen, because no, you must have to select the photo also. So in the case of photo, I probably in order to check it in front of you, I am going to give a separate type photo. So it can be brand or something. No, not this. I am going to give which photo I will give here. I am going to give newsletter. So this photo, okay. So I just upload this photo. You see the photo comes. So now if I want to open that photo, you see it preserve the ratio, but the problem is the white color outside, but I do not want like that. But I do not want like white color or white blank color. I do not need to show all the portions of the input photo, but ratio aspect ratio maintained, no white space around. Please rewrite the function again. So now it will try to match. Okay, so let's check what it does. Okay, it is again rewriting the function. So if so, I am going to copy this, and this is the another function, right? So I am going to functions.php. Here write the new function, that is image resize and crop to cover. So here I am going to write it here. Now let's check it how it works. So I again add this on product category 3, for example, and here again the same image like before. Submit. You see now it is doing something that I actually wanted. Yes, it is 300 by 400. You see the ratio is maintained. Yes, so now it works, but not 300. I give here 350 by 400. It is better, or 340 by 450 is okay. 350 by 400. So it is actually working what I actually want to do. So right, so image resize, this single function is enough to work with. So I give here image resize, and here the functions I will actually work with it only, that is the last one. So image resize, I am not going to use any other functions, so remove from top others. So this is the final function that is working, and I hope it is very simple and easy to call. Just image resize, better. Now I am going to apply another one, that is the product category 4, and I am going to upload another one. Which one I can upload here? I am thinking menu is this. Okay, this one I can test with. Submit. You see it comes. So if I go here, you will see the image is resized, and this is the photo, 350 by 400. So the category, the actual image categories actually are of such type of size. So I just give it, and it should work without any hassle. So now it is okay. My product category create option is done. My next task will be to edit the product photos and to edit the product category data. Actually, this is my next task. Now I am going to work with the edit section, and in order to work with the edit section, I am going here. You see there is a edit product category edit.php. So I already have this space, but this is empty. Now I am going to call the create this space functionality, copy this and paste it into the edit. So what thing I will need to change here, that is here I write edit product category. This view is okay and multipart is okay, but here I will have to change. One will be existing photo and another one will be change photo. So here I will write that is existing photo that I will show here, and another one here will be change photo. So it is actually not mandatory, so I do not need to give it here. And here I will have to write the image. That means here I am going to use this way, that is echo base URL, and all the images are into the uploads. So uploads and row of photo. So that is good. Now if I want to, here actually form control not needed, normal photo is better I think. So if I want to change this photo, I can go here easily. Okay, and existing photo, if there is any photo, then that will be shown here. So row of photo base URL, and this is okay. And now I am going to show you base URL is okay, uploads row of photo, actually not row of photo. Here I will have to do something. In the bottom, if you want, you can check the page URL security. So if there is really any data I am getting from the product categories table, so like this way, where id equal to the id that is passing here, if there is really any information here. If yes, that means. If not, so if it is like this, select all from product categories where id equal to this, total is this. So here I check, if total is equal to 0, then it will take the user to the previous page. So it will be like this, header location, and it will take the user to the admin URL with product category view.php. So this is completely okay. Then there can be some operation, and in the bottom I will apply the same type of thing. That means here I am going to write from product categories id equal to this, and here I will check the data. So result, for example, result equal to a statement face of this. So I have the result of data in my hand, so here I will write result of photo. So refresh, you see the existing photo coming here, and here you can here control with the style. So it can be I am going to write the wide. So wide is 140 pixel, for example. So that is okay, nothing more is needed. So 140. So this is the existing photo here. So existing photo, then if you want to change photo, there is option to change the photo. So in this way, and the label, here is a label CSS. I think it is compact, so I can use dist here, actually dist admin. Okay, so custom, where is label? So in the label I am going to check margin, padding top is okay, but this label, any kind of label I should work. Label, custom file, form group label, it is okay. So margin bottom 5 pixel, for example. If I give here refresh, yes, there is a gap, it looks better, I love it. And name is okay, and name means here actually the category name. So in the category edit here, and the existing item will be into the value field. So here I write PHP echo result of, here it will be name, and finally it will be the update button. So refresh, you see the product category is loaded here, update button. If you click on this button, what will happen? It will send the data to the top here. So first it will check if name is empty, it is okay, please select a photo. But in this case I will not use like this. Here I will give an option, if the path not equal to empty, it can be empty, no problem. If not equal to empty, then I will do the task that are given here up to the image insertion. That means here, so something like this. You see, you can work in this way. This is one particular way, and another way is you can write an update option here. So for example, PHP update, here you can just, if name is bypassed, you can update the data. So product categories, update product categories. Here I am going to update the name, okay, where id equal to which one, where in my case the id will be request of id and post of name. So that is okay. And then the image is going to be checked up, and you see if path not equal to empty, then only I will update the data. So I will update the image actually. So what will happen here, I am going to check product category, this one is the new file name. I am going to check the valid photo name. That means you are trying to upload something. Path not equal to empty means you are trying to upload something. So in that case I will check the MIME type. If there is, this is invalid, then it will take the user to here with the error message. Otherwise what will happen, first this is the upload image, right? So this is a function to upload the image by this name, file name, that is okay. But the existing photo you will have to unlink. So I will have to use the unlink of the result of photo. Result means what is the result? Here is actually no result. So how I can get the existing photo? So here to show I am going to write a result of this. So this is existing data, okay, so or the result that I can use here to unlink the photo. So this is okay, new photo will be uploaded, and into here I will update the data. So PHP update, here update product category set photo, where photo is file name and where id equal to this. Set photo, it is file name and where id equal to this one. So this is okay. So photo category has been updated successfully. This is okay. So now I hope everything okay, and here if there is any error, it will take the user to this link. So this is the current page URL that I show here. So okay, so let's do that. I will try to change it. So I am going to my uploads, and here you see the photo is this. So I am going to change it, means it will be unlinked. This will be unlinked, that means this photo will be removed from here and then new one will be uploaded. So I am going to apply something. I can go to the products, show, and from here I can just select something like this. You see, uploaded, and the new photo is here, and you see the previous photo is not here, and it is the exact size 350 by 400. So that is okay. So this is on product category. This can be another category. So like shoe, it can be, what can be the category? This is the shoe category, right? So there are some categories. Bag. So for the bag I can select something like this. It is okay. You see it is here, and also here it is changing, and this is the photo category 3. So I am going to update here, that is photo category 3. I change the name here also with the photo. So this is, for example, the furniture. Okay, so the furniture can be anything like this. So update, you see, and the last one is photo category 4. So here I can use the photo category 4, and here I am going to use the tools. Tools mean what I can do here. This one looks good, so this is the tools. So in this way all the photo categories I have uploaded here, and you see here all the data are updated. So it is working perfectly. So next one is I want to delete an item. So I am going to apply here, instead of this kind of photo I can use I can remove the form control from the photo. It is better. Normal shape is looks good. So photo, I am going to upload any kind of photo. For example, Instagram, this photo. These are also some good photos, but I am going to upload this. Submit. You see, name must, I will have to give it. So name I give here. You see, this is the photo. Now this one I will delete. So I will have to work with the delete functionalities, and in order to delete the data, just this portion is needed. I am going to open the delete. So paste it here. So everything, if everything is okay, here you see, if this ID I do not get any product by this ID, then I will redirect the user back to the view page. But if everything is okay, then what will happen? So if everything is okay, so PHP delete, PHP delete. So delete from product categories where ID equal to what? Request of ID, and then session success message deleted successfully, location will be view, and then exit. Simple. So now let's refresh it. Now I am going to delete. Are you sure? Okay. You see product category has been deleted. If I go here, you see this is not deleted, so there is a problem. I manually delete it. Okay, I add that again, and here add this again. Okay, it comes here, and here you see again. Yet this one should be also unlinked when I am going to delete any product category. So the product category existing data is into that result. So unlink. What I will unlink? The uploads of result of photo. So existing data will be unlinked in this way. So now let's do that. Refresh. I am going to click on delete. Are you sure? Okay. Now if you go, it is deleted. So that means the deletion is working perfectly. Now after showing all the product categories in the back end, I am now going to show this in the front end. In the front end, the category is actually showing here, and another place is in the shop. If you go, there is left side, and that is another place. So I want to show all the things into the front end. So I am going to the index.php, that means the home page, and then there is a category section. I am going to check where is the category. You see, this is the shop by category section, and here I am going to show all the items by category. So if I want to show that, what will be happen? So here just write PHP, and I am going to apply the select query. That means select all from product categories, and here you can show all by order. So order by name ascending. Okay, so that is good. I am going to remove it from here, no parameter needed, and all the categories here I will show. Inside this I will apply like this on, that is I end the PHP and start PHP again, and from here I am going to cut and paste it inside. So this is the section that is going to be repeated. So other items I am going to remove from here. So remove other items, and here category photo and category name only will be shown. So photo is into the uploads, and then I call echo and the row items. So row of photo first, and another one is this, and this one will be echo then row of name. So here I am going to write name. So all the categories should be shown here. It is very normal that I can have a lot of more categories, but how many items will be shown here? 4 items. You see the shop by category, product category 1, product category 2, product category 3, product category 4, in this way. So total categories are showing here. If you want, you can change it. For example, this is a back website, so I can change it by bag. For example, all the bag photos I am going to select. So these are the bags. So select this here. This is already bag, and then this one I am going to select. For example, this one. Then another one I am going to select back from here again. So it can be this one. And the second one here I can also check it by back 2 or something like that. So it will be shown like this. So it is changing, right? So if you click here, what will happen? That is not the concern now. So product category 1, 2, 3, 4 I added. For example, I add 2 more categories. For example, product category, for example 5, and here I add 2 more items. So instead of this, I am going to other section. So that can be the product or many other section where there is a bag. So here I am going to select another one. So this is another one, and the last one is, for example, product category 6. So here I apply the product category 6, and I select another photo. Any photo you can add here of the bag. So this is okay. Now if you come here, you see all the data are coming. You can limit it. That means here if I go to show only the category, for example 4 items. So if you give here 4, so then only 4 items will be shown here. And if you go to the shop page, you will see that the categories are listing in the left side. So if I go to the shop, so you can go to the shop, and where is the product categories? In the filter section, I am going to use the shop, that is category. Here is a category filter, right? So here I am going to write something in the top as a comment. So that is, for example, category, product category section. So this is the product category section filter. So it starts from here, and it ends where? It ends here. So product category section ends here. So in in the between, you see here, this is the code to show the category. So here what I can do, I can apply the same thing that I applied here. That means the same query I can copy and paste it here, so like this. But here I will show all the items, not any limit. So here I put this one, and here what I will write, here I will write this one, that is the filter. Sorry, I am going to cut it from here and paste it here in this way. So PHP, and in the inside, in the inside I am going to paste it, so it is like this one. So instead of women's bag, here I can put the row of name, because this is the category name. Here no photo is in the filter, so I am going to remove all other items. So this is the checkbox, input type checkbox. Here you can put the name, that is the, for example, the category. So for now it is okay. And now let's check if it is coming in the list. You see product category 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all are coming here, and it is working as the radio box. That means only one item select each time. So this is okay. So I think there is no other page where there is category, so only two places, and in the front end it is showing, you see. Now after the product category section, I am going to work with the product section. You see that there are some products here. I have a photo for each product. There is a product title or product name. Then if I click on any product, it is taking me to the product.php. So here are some information also. So how many items, that means how many columns will be in the products table, I will show you, because I will create a table now here, that's name will be products, and how many items will be here. So here let's check. First one is product. For example, there are many photos here, but I will maintain the photo gallery later. First my target is to upload the main product. So the product has the ID, right? And each product must be under a particular category. So there will be a category name or category ID, something like that. There is a product featured photo. That means the main photo of the product is the featured photo. And there is a name here and slug here, because it is going to take me to the product detail page. And how many products I will add, so in order to maintain the stock, so that will be in a quantity. And product has two type of price here. You see one price is sale price, another price is regular price. And if I go to the detail, there is a short description for any product, and there is a big description for a product. So these are the total 10 fields, and then there are some specification. For example, what specification and what things I will use. For example, this one SKU is okay. Then size is okay. Then I will add the color, that is also okay. And there is a pattern not needed. Capacity is okay. Then weight is okay. And then how many pockets, for example, this is okay. And then what I can do, water resistance is also okay. And warranty is also okay. And the product, I will add an extra field for a product, that is for example the total number of sales, because in the home page you will see there is a popular product. So how can I identify that a product is a popular product? So in order to identify that, you can just easily do this thing, that is you can just make any product that is here, and you can just apply the total number of sales. When there will be any sales done, then the total number of sales will be increased here, and then in the same table, that means in the product table, the total number of sales will be automatically changed each time when a person will purchase any product. So in this way I will identify this. So it is okay, no problem. I will show you how to implement that. So for example, total number of fields 19 for now. Here is ID is on field, and it is primary key and auto increment. Then there is a product category ID, so category table ID, but it is product category, so product category ID. So this is also okay. And there is a featured photo for any product, so featured photo I am going to give here. And after that, the product name, then there is a product slug, then there is a product quantity, so product quantity. After that, regular price, then there is a sale price, so like this, regular price, sale price, then there is a short description, and after that there is a description, and after description there is SKU. So I have the product SKU, size, color, so I can give here, that is size, color, and then there is a capacity, weight, capacity, so there will be weight, and then I can write here weight, outer fabric lining, zipper, 100, pocket. So pocket is okay. I can give how many pockets a bag has. It is important in some times, and if it is water resistance or not. So this thing I can give here water resistance or resistant, so it is okay. And then there will be a warranty, so warranty, and total sales will be an extra field, total sale or total sales, whatever you can, if you want you can give here total sale. So it is an integer, this is okay. And if I go to top, from top I am going to show it, this is integer, it is okay. And then there is a featured photo, the featured photo you can give varchar 255 for example. And then there is a name also can varchar, slug also can varchar, and 255, all these. Then quantity, the quantity here you can write integer, it is okay. And the regular price here, if you want you can use the decimal, you can use the decimal here if you want, or here regular price you can use the float, that is also okay. So it depends how you want to maintain it. So this is the regular price, sale price is also float for example. Then short description, it can be the text, and the main description can be the long text, so that can be long text. And then after that there is a SKU, it can be varchar, size can be varchar, and these fields can be smaller like 100. Color, it can be also varchar. Then capacity, it can be also varchar. Weight can be varchar 100, pocket can be varchar 100. And water resistant, it can be yes or no, something like that I can apply here. So 3, yes is the length 3, so I give it here. The then pocket, then warranty can be 100 because you will write it here. And total sale is integer, there is no problem. If you want you can define any default one, that means you see this is the default, you can use the as defined 0, you can apply here, no problem. And if there is any nullable field, for example the regular price or sale price, if you want you can give here nullable, because sometimes the regular price can be 0 or null, so regular price can be nullable, it should be null. Sale price you can also give here nullable, but I will check it in my PHP end that it should not be null, okay. But some other fields that must be nullable, that are SKU. These fields, if you want you can skip any of these fields. So here I can give this, I can just apply these fields as a nullable field. And if there is any other nullable, here If you want, you can give the quantity as defined 0. You can use here 0 as defined by default. So okay, now I am going to click on the save. You see, this is my products table. So after seeing this, you will understand that my products table are added here. So next task is to add the products. Okay, so now my task is to add the products into my database table using the backend here. So how I can do that, I will show you how to implement it so that you can understand. So go to admin, and then in the admin layouts there is a sidebar, you know. So here I am going to copy this one, and here it will be product view, and where there is category or will be normal product. So here product and product view, it is okay. So I will have to create this type of pages into the admin. So create product view.php, then create product create.php, then create product edit.php, and lastly I am going to add product delete.php. So in the product view, what I will write, I am just going to copy the data from the product category view. So copy this, and in the product view paste this. So it is products, and here it will be product create here like this. So product has some information that I am going to show, that is you can use the product photo here. Okay, so product photo, and you know there is a product name, there is a asset, etc. types of things actually there are in the case of product. So it actually depends what thing you will show and what not. So I am trying to show you photo, name, and then if you want, you can use the slug. You can show it, that is no problem. Slug you can show, then you can show the sale price. So product sale price you can show, then you can show the regular price, then I can show the stock. So here stock means actually quantity, then category you can show, then all the photos. Here is important to show the photo gallery or all the photos. This is one of the important thing, but I will implement that later, no problem. So here I will have to run the products table. That means here from the products table I will get all the data. So select all from products. Here I will write a join query. I will have to write, because I will have to show the product category name here. So in this table I will have product category, but how I can get the category name? So I will have to join another table with it. So that means here, for example, this one. So products P, and I am going to join product categories. PC is for example, and then p.category id equal to pc.id. That is okay. And here is p.all, and from the product category what item I will need, that is name, then slug. Actually product category has no slug, that has name and photo. So name is okay for now. Now I am going to have this one, that is order by. You can show the order by product. I can show the product by name. So order by p.name and ascending order. So it is okay. And actually not this one will be removed. And here I am going to show uploads photo. This is actually the featured photo, and here style equal to wide. Here I can write the wide, and product photo can be 140 pixel. Here this is actually not important here, so I can delete this one. And here you see now photo name slug. So after name I will have to write the slug. So so td, it is slug, then sale price, then regular price, and then stock means actually quantity here. And after that the category name means this name. Okay, so photos will be after that. So Here will be photo gallery. I just write it here. I will work with that later. So from here there is category, I remove it, product edit and product delete is okay. So if I want to show this data, so refresh, if I click here, there is a problem. p.category id is the problem. What happens? I am going to check. So p dot, actually in the products table, p.category id equal to pc.id. What is showing here? Column not found. I am going to check. Actually not category id, it is p.product category id. Product category id. So this is the name. So okay, now I again go here, refresh, there is no error now. Now if I click on add, then it will take me to add the new product page. Okay, so then my task is to add the new product. So if you want to add the new product, I will have to copy another page, that is product category create, for example. So I am going to copy this, and product here is product create, here I am going to paste it. So in the top it will be create product, not category, and it is product view. Okay, so this one. Now after this one, what is my next task? That is the form action is multi-part. This is okay. And for the featured photo, I will have to write here the name, that is featured photo. Okay, so this is the featured photo. So photo is not only the main field here, because here is the name, then I have the slug, etc. So here I am going to use call md6, and here I am here actually instead of writing two types or two layers, here I could write like this, that is here is form group, you see. So I am not going to modify the previous one, it is okay, but here I will have to write something. Form group is okay, but with call md12, or here it is okay separately, no problem. Form group mb3, I am not going to touch it, it is okay. And here is slug, I am going to write here the slug, this is the slug. So first field is name and the second field is slug, and you must have to give both the fields. So here star mark, and here I write featured photo. This there will be also star symbol, because this is mandatory. Star means mandatory here. Okay, and here in the value field, if you want to show the existing value, you can write something here that I will show later, no problem. So after these two, there will be a category. So I just copy this and paste this, then I am going to show the category, that means select category. Okay, and then here I am going to write select class equal to form select. So form select, and here I will pull the data. So from the categories table, so from the product categories table, product categories, and here order by name, for example, order by name ascending. So here I am going to show everything. Result, that means here I can write, it is okay, result is okay, total not needed here, and here I am going to write the code here like this. So option this, so row of ID, and here is name. So all the product categories should be shown here. Then the next one is quantity. So here I write this, so quantity. So quantity is also mandatory field, and you must have to write the quantity here. So I write here the quantity. After the quantity, there is a regular price. So my task is to apply the regular price, regular price, and regular price if you want to give or not. If you want, you can keep the same price here. So if it is the same price, then I will treat it as the regular price. So in this way you can make it mandatory field also. So it depends how you want to maintain this. This is the regular price, and then I will write another one, that is the sale price. So here it will be sale price. So sale price will be here, sale price, and here you see automatically it puts sale price, so that is good. So column D 6 and 6, and then I will write the next one is short description, for example. So here 12, and here I write short description, and it will be text area, and class equal to, here will be form control, and here the name will be short description here like this. And with the form control, here I am going to write something that can be what I can write here, height 100, for example. So this is my short description, and after the short description there will be the main description that I will write here. So this is the product main description, and here you can use the editor if you want. So if I want, you can use the editor, no problem, in order to show the main detail. So if I write like this, how it coming, I am going to check. Yes, it is coming here, short description. Okay, so it looks good, no problem up to now. Then the next one is actually after that the SKU, size, color, capacity in this way. So I am going to write those items one by one. So first one is SKU. Okay, so here I am going to write that is SKU, but this is not mandatory field, so I just put it as an optional field. So this is SKU. So here it will be also SKU, and after the SKU I am going to copy this is the size. So here I write the size. After this I am going to write the next one, that means here is weight, right? But I have color here, so color means here I will have to write the color. So after the color there will be capacity. So if it is capacity, it will be also the capacity. So SKU, size, color, capacity, weight, pocket, water resistant. So after that there is a weight, then there is a pocket, so pocket, then there is a weight, pocket, water resistant, warranty. So here you can write the water resistant, here yes no system. So here you can write the select class equal to form select, and here I will write yes or no. So water resistant and form select, and this will be yes or no. Here I write the yes and here no, no problem. So after the water resistant there is a warranty, and total sale is actually not inputable field, so last one will be here warranty. So here I write warranty. So after the warranty, so it is submit, so it is okay. But here something missing here, that is this one extra comes here. It should be like this. So here it will be like this, and so how it is there like this. Okay, fine. So now it is fixed. Okay, so if you click on submit, nothing will happen actually, because I did not code with it yet. So my next task is, here you see form 1 is the form name. So when it will go to the top in order to submit the data, then I will have to write something here. So this is there will be my code. So if post of name equal to, here name cannot be empty, it is okay, then I will write here the slug. So here I can write the slug. So what will happen, slug cannot be empty. And for the slug validation, here if I write the slug validation, so here you see it is writing me the code. It is doing the validation by checking the duplicate, right? So yes, if you want, you can select validation. No, I want using regex. So here the validate rule can be this one. This is also okay. Select can only contain lowercase letter number hyphen. In this way I will check it or validate it. Select uniqueness using database check. Okay, so here I am going to write from the products. I am going to check if this select exists or not. If I get total or something like that, total equal to this, if I get total, then select already exists will be shown. So select cannot be duplicate. So the next one is category ID. Actually there will be nothing in the case of category. I do not need. Quantity is needed. So if quantity is 0, quantity cannot be empty. Then regular price cannot be empty. And in the case of regular price, if you want, you can give the something numeric. Okay, so in the quantity, numeric check, numeric validation for quantity. So here if not is numeric quantity, then quantity must be a number. So you can check the numeric here. So regular price and sale price, if you want, same thing in the case of regular price. In the case of sale price, do the same thing. And after that, if the sale price is greater than, the sale price and regular price will be same if there is no offer or discount. But if you give any offer, then sale price will be less and regular price will be bigger than that. But never sale price will be greater than regular price. So here you can check another thing, that is if post of, here I will write sale price greater than, if something like that, then sale price cannot be greater than regular price. It is okay. Short description you will have to give, checking it. Description you must have to check this. I do not need to check any other things. And here instead of photo, this is featured photo. And if path empty, please select a photo. So this is okay. Please select a photo. I can tell here. An extension is this, and instead of photo category underscore, I will write here photo underscore. And if the MIME type has any problem, then it will show the error. It is okay. And in this case, source is this. It is also okay. Image resize is this. Now, if you want to use the image resize or not, it actually depends. So for example, the photo that I am going to upload in the case of here, for example 420 by 500, I can make it a bit bigger. It is also possible. Or if you want to upload complete photo, it is also possible. If you want to upload two versions, the original photo that user is going to upload, and if you want, you can do that also. So it depends how you want to do that. Now I am going to the next stage, that means insert into where. So I will insert the data into products, but all the data that I should change is like this. So here is product category, all the category will be like this, product view, and here also. Okay, so now let's check it. Insert into products, what items I am going to insert here. So photo actually will be featured photo. So I will check if there is any other photo here. Photo is okay. Valid photo. Normal photo is not there, right? So the photo is there. Okay, so featured photo, then name select category ID. So name select category ID, then quantity, regular price, sale price, short description, description. But there are many other fields, you know. So here that will be SKU, and then there will be other items. So SKU, then size color. So size color, SKU size color, there is a capacity, Then there was a weight pocket, water resistant, and warranty, and total cell always be here 0. So by default I set up 0, so no problem. So what happens, featured photo name / category ID. So I'm going to check featured photo name / quantity. Product category ID is where? This is not category ID, this is product category ID. So featured photo name / product category ID quantity. Then regular price, sale price, short description, regular price, sale price, short description, SKU size, color, capacity, SKU size, color, capacity, weight, pocket, auto resistant, warranty, weight, pocket, auto resistant, warranty. So how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. That's good. And here is also post name on. First is post name is okay, then is name / slug is this. Actually my slug is where? Post of slug, right? So here not will be this, the slug will be post of slug. So after that, not category ID, it is product category ID. So this one, so quantity and regular price, then sale price, short description, SKU size, color, capacity, weight, pocket, auto resistant, warranty. That's good. Product has been created successfully, product view and product create. Okay, so here I am going to check one thing, that is the product category. Here is no name, so I put it product category ID. So it should work here. So let's do that. Refresh. If I want to click on submit, name cannot be empty, that means it is working. So I am going to add any product, any particular product I am going to add here. So accessories, leather bag, or here I can do one thing, that is fake filler, fake all inputs. So this is for example the name, this O is this is the slug. Category is for example the 1, quantity is 12, regular price is 34 USD, sale price 29 USD. Short description is for example I can take anything from here. So it can be like something like that. Here can be like this. So in this way I can write it. And then SKU, and SKU means AA1, for example size is 1 2, and color is for example red, capacity is 1 liter, weight it 230 gm, for example pocket 4, water resistant, yes, warranty 2 years. I just randomly put something, and here is featured photo, and as a featured photo I put anything as the photo, then click on submit. You see the photo and this is added. So this product is added here without any issue. And if I go here, you see product category ID, and here the category name is showing here. It is also working. Now I am going to work with the product edit section. You see there is edit button here, so I am going to work with it. So if I want to edit the product, then what I will do is, you see product edit.php, there is a page. So I am going to copy the product category edit, all the tasks from here. I am going product category edit. Okay, so copy this, and in the product edit I am going to paste it. So in the product edit, here it will be select all from the products. It will be from the products. I am going to check the ID, and if not, then I am going to take it to the product view.php page, and then here it will be also from the products table, and the data will be into the result variable, and here it will be product view, and it is edit product. And now here I am going to check this one. So existing photo, that means existing featured photo, and change featured photo. Okay, so here it will be featured photo, so here I can write featured photo, and here it will be also featured photo. Other data that I am going to copy from this section, that starts from here, that is the name, right? So here I am going to copy all the data, and like this. So copy this, and in here I am going to paste. So just replace the data here. So what thing I will do here, that is the featured photo is okay, here is also okay, multi-part is okay, and now here I will have to write here the value field. So here value will be what? So the value will be here, that is the result of slug. Similarly here the value will be result of name, and in the category here product categories, there it is okay, but here what will be, that is if row of ID equal to result of product category ID, then the current one will be selected. That's okay. Now quantity, in the quantity value will be this, then there is the regular price, here the value will be this one, I accept it. Here GitHub Copilot suggest me if he wants to apply this, yes, I press the tab and it is applied. Then the next one, you see they suggest me, I press the tab, it is inserted. For the description also it is inserted, for the SKU it is inserted, for the color, for the size, similarly this one, and then for the color this one, for the capacity this one, for the weight this one is okay, for the pocket this is okay, and here it will be like this. If result of water resistant equal to yes, then it will be selected, and if the water resistant of result is equal to no, then it will be selected. Warranty is like this. Okay, so update is in the bottom. So I think it should work. So let's check it, refresh. If I go to the edit, here you see in the quantity there is a problem, undefined array key, product category ID, otherwise everything is okay. So here what is happening, I am going to check. You see this is the result, it is okay, and product ID, products equal to ID, this is also okay. Result of featured photo, that is also showing here. Name select, no problem, select category. So what is the problem in the category? So name slug is okay, result slug, here is result product category ID, so here it is showing the problem. So if this, then it is selected, but here product category ID, so here what should be the problem, product categories, where here is another result, so that is the problem. So here I write product categories will be this, so here it will be product categories, and row is okay. Now it should not be a problem. Yes, the problem has been solved. So all the data you see into the box, what was there, it is okay, and product category on selected, and everything is okay, existing photo is selected. Now I am going to add some more products so that I can understand the product items. So here what I can do, I am going to add a product, and in the case of edit I will need some data. So from here I can, okay, but before going there, I complete the product category update section. So when the submission will come here, what will happen? So in this case I will have to write something like the product create option. So here all the options will be like this, it is okay, that is the name, slug, all the validations up to this is okay. So I am going to paste it here. So here you see up to description, if there is any error, then otherwise this is okay. And in the case of slug, the current one I will skip. So and ID not equal to here will be the request ID. So this is okay. And after that I can update the data. What I can update the data? That means I can update the products where like this. That means you can, I put it, no problem. Here is execute. Okay, so let's check if it works or not. For example, products table, I will update the name, select product category ID, quantity, regular price, sell price, short description, SKU size, color, capacity, weight, pocket, auto resistant, warranty. Okay, so name, select product category, quantity, regular price, sell price, short description, SKU size, color, capacity, weight, pocket, auto resistant, warranty, where ID equal to this. Okay, and the second one, here I already have updated all the data. And now in the case of photo, so in the case of photo, this is featured photo, right? And I'm going to check if you want to select this. So if path not equal to empty, then what will happen? Okay, I back it, I do not. So featured photo is okay. Now I let's check it. So if you do not the path not equal to empty, that means you are going to change something. When you will do that, then I will only check the validation like this, that is the product, this is the featured photo, it is okay. And here product categories, instead of product categories I will update the products where featured photo is this. And here also I will have to change something like this, and this I change also. Okay, so let's check it. If someone wants to change the photo, then I will come here, it will check, please upload a valid photo. If everything is okay, then I will unlink the existing featured photo. The result equal to here, this is the result, it is okay. I will then unlink that. Here is no result, only total, so that is okay. So result of featured photo I will unlink, then I will upload the new photo, and the featured photo will be updated. That means the table of the products will be updated like this. A statement execute is this one is the final name, and where update it will update the data or update the photo where ID equal to this request of ID. So it is okay. Product has been updated successfully. Location is admin URL. Product view page, it will take you back. So everything is okay. So it should work. So let's try it. I am going to update this data, for example. That means this is the description. Okay, so this is the description, and I can use 4 lines, no problem. Sorry, here I am going to put this on. So first on, this is the second on, I am going to write into single line. So now update, you see product has been updated successfully. If I again go here, you will see the data has been updated, right? So update is working. So now I am going to create some products. For example, I am going to use the fake filler Jordan Wallace. Okay, so here I write, so something like that. It is product category, for example 2, that is okay. Quantity 2, regular price 20, sell price 20, short description. So main description is here, and short description can be something like this. Here also I change it to this. So here also change it, and here in the new entry, here I just use the entry to 20. Quantity is this, SKU, this information not needed. For example, I keep those blank as those are optional. I am not going to give anything for now. Auto resistant, no. Color can be okay. I can use the green, blue, then purple, 3 color. Capacity 2 LTR, weight 400 gram, pocket 6, size 20 by 15 by 10, SKU, for example, like this. So before submit, I am going to select the photo. So let's check the photo. For example, the photo is this one. Now submit. Yes, the data is inserted now, and this is under the product category 2. And if I go here, you will see auto register, no, it is selected. There is no problem in the selection, so it is okay. Now I am going to add another one. So here I again use the fake filler to fill all the inputs. Canyon Jones, for example. So something like this. Product category is 4, for example. Quantity 11. Regular price, sale price 39. Short description, so it comes from here, for example, here, and main description is from here. Then all the data like this I am going to write here, not this. Water resistant, yes. Warranty 3 years. Pocket 2. Weight 250. Color red, green. SKU and size and capacity 4, and size equal to 25 × 20. So submit it. Sorry, the main problem is I did not select any photo. You see, there is a problem. If you forget to update the photo, then all the fields are empty again. If you want, you can solve this issue. How you can solve this issue? In order to solve this problem, here you can apply something like this, that is the value field. You can check if there is data in the name of post. If there is any data in the case of post, then it will be selected, otherwise not. Similarly, in the case of slug, here you can also apply this. For example, like this, if is set post category and post category equal to this, then it will be selected. Also in the case of quantity, you can apply this, and in all other places, some regular price, sale price, short description, then description, then in the SKU you can use this, size, color, then after size there is a color, then the same thing you can apply in the capacity, weight, then pocket, and here in the yes no, here you can also apply this. If is set this and post of is auto resistant equal to yes, then only it will be selected, otherwise not. And lastly, it is warranty. If you do that, what will happen? You now here another thing I will need to apply, that is here instead of error message, here I will have to write this into error message, otherwise the data will be again vanished. For example, I am going to fake filler Eva Bullock, for example, or here I can use another one, Audrey Lara. Here is actually main name. I want to Eden, okay, something like that. I use this one, okay. So press enter. You see it is not working because the problem is data is not set. So if there is any error, header location, so I cannot use the header location system here, this will be a problem. So here I am going to use something like this. Enter. You see select cannot be empty. Now it is working. So you see this is here. So now it is okay. So in this way, but here the one problem is redirection. This problem is not a problem in the case of error because the success data is not inserted each time. So that is not a problem at all. But the problem is solved that if you forget to upload the photo, but all the items you entry, for example, I enter this, I forget, then quantity. For example, quantity is what? Quantity is one item. Regular price 49.29. Short description, for example, long description is this, and short description is this one. And then SKU can be this one, size 25 by 20, color red, green, capacity 2 LTR, weight 230 GM, pocket 2, auto resistant TS, warranty 3 years. For example, I forget to select the photo now, so submit. You see all the data are here, right? Please select a photo is okay, but all the 42 number line, what happens in the 42 number lines? Sell price, regular price, here post underscore will be here, right? So it is missing here, so here also it will be missing. I think it will be underscore. Now let's again check submit. You see, please select a photo, but all the data are here that are not lost. So now if I select the photo, that can be this photo is okay. Now I click on submit. You see the data is inserted without any problem. So this is the system. So in this way you can also insert this. So I randomly apply some more items like this. So it is like this. It is product category 4 is okay, 5, regular price 127, it is 79, short description is this, and here is long description, that will be, sorry, here will be long description and short description will be here. So SKU here be on, size 2, 8 by 21, color blue, black, capacity 2 LTR, weight 350 gram, pocket yes, warranty 2 years. So if submit, you see no data is lost, so it is working. And now I am going to select a photo, that can be this one, submit. You see this photo is added, and here I sort the photos, I sort the item by alphabet letter, so it comes here, and now what I added, that is coming here. So in this way just now, so 4 items I added here, 4. I add more items, for example more 2 items, total 6 items I will add here. Okay, so here this is the another one. So quickly I am going to add this, so this one, and it is product category 5, for example, quantity this one, regular price 23.15, and here is this one, short description, and long is this, and then SKU C001, size 23 by 21, color green, capacity 2 LTR, weight pocket 4, and for example warranty 1 years, water resistant yes, and then I select the photo. So here in this case the photo can be this one, and submit. So this is the 5th item, and the last item I will add for now, that is the photo is, for example this one, and here I use the fake filler James Moody, for example like this. So this one is product category 4 again, no problem, quantity is 12, regular price is this one, and short description, long description is this, and short description is this, and then SKU size this one, color red, green, red, black, brown, capacity 3 LTR, weight 700 GM, pocket 5, water resistant, no warranty. So now I am going to submit this one, so submit, yes. So these are actually the main back photos I will use, and I will add now a dummy item so that I can change it. That means I can edit this one. For example, so you see sell price here, I give this, select a photo. Okay, quantity is this, anything you can think. So now I will edit this one. So I am going to add this one for example. Now I am going to edit this photo. Okay, so just go to edit. I am going to check if the photo changing is working or not. So my task is to go to the uploads and I check it now, the product. So the last product is this, so it will be unlinked and new product will be uploaded. I am going to check it. For example, this yellow product I am going to check, and everything. For example, I am going to change it here, product category 6 here, for example, all 2, and I am going to check if it is working. Here always 2, here 2, and here no, and here everything should work. Okay, here is probably BBB. So now let's check if it is working or not. So update, you see the photo has been changed. If I go here, you see the last one is not here, and this is replaced the last photo. So it is working, right? And here you see the photos. Here if you go to edit, 222 BB, and here all the changed price and changed items are working. So that means the data update function is working without any kind of problem. So there was another one, that was the category delete, so copy the same thing I will apply in my case, that is the product delete. So paste it here. Instead of product categories, I use the products, and it will be product view, and the unlinked photo will be featured photo, and here it will be product has been deleted and product view.php. So from the products it will be deleted. So let's check it. This one I am going to delete now. So click here, okay, you see product has been deleted. So 6 item again. If I go here, you see 1 2 3 4 5 6, and the last yellow items is not here. So that means the photo is also deleted from the database table and also from the folder. So the product functionality is working. My next task will be to work with the photo gallery. Now I am going to show all the products that I have added here, but here another one that I did not work with, that is photo gallery. Okay, so photo gallery section I will have to work with. So there are products, you see there are many tables here, and one table name is products table, and products table has a ID. So my task is to add, for example, another table I am going to create in order to save the product table's photo. So it can be product photos, and in the product photos table there will be a normal ID, that is auto increment value for the particular product photos table, and another field will be the product table ID for which particular product I am going to add the photos, and then the photo name will be there. So total 3 items I am going to put here. One is ID, another one is product table ID, that means product ID, and another one is photo. So here product ID integer is okay. First one is primary key and auto increment, and photo here you can give varchar 255. Now I am going to click on save, and you see the product photos table is here now. Now my task is I am going to close on this, and it is okay. There is a photos section. So this is the photo gallery. So I am going to put a photo gallery here, and I am going to write some class here. For example, btn primary and btn sm, for example, and this will be a link. So I am going to product, close it. You see there is a photo gallery. So I am going to increment the wide of this. For example, class equal to wide 100, for example. So refresh it. You see this is the photo gallery section. It is okay. And instead of this color, because there is already a color there, so I can change the color of here, that is warning. And now again go here, refresh. Yes, now it looks better. So photo gallery, and then these are the previous icons, no problem. Now I am going to click on photo gallery for any particular product. And if I click here, what will happen? It will take me to another page, and that means I am going to write here PHP and then echo admin URL, and then I will take it to product photo. You can give here the name photo gallery. Question like this you can write this way. So I will create a page into the admin, that's name will be product photo gallery. So in this page what I will do, like the product view, here you see the product view. So I am going to copy this one from here, and I will apply for example, if I just okay, this page data I can copy from there, that is also okay. Actually you can do it in many ways, so it depends how you will do that, but here I paste it, this is okay. And in the top I will have to write some checking. For example, from the edit I am going to copy and paste it in the top. So for example, in the top I am going to check if the product ID is valid or not. So similarly what I did like previous, so existing data, I am going to change the variable name here and if total equal to 0, then it will take me to where? It will take me to the, for example, the product view page, and this is okay, there is no change needed. And here there will be two things. One is in the same form, using the same form I will for example add the data, and I will for example delete the data. So this type of things I will apply here. So in the heading you see this is the products, and here I can write it that can be product photo gallery, product gallery, or product photo gallery, and photo gallery, or here you can write photo gallery of product. Who is product? Photo gallery of product. Here I will write the product data. So existing data is in my hand, so I can write here the existing data of name. Then the product name I will show here without any issue, and here product, for example, view, I can go back to the previous page from here. So I just write for example show or back to previous page, or here you can write the show all product, or here you can write show all products. You can go back to previous page in this way. So if you want to show all the data here you see call md, I can write here the 8. If I write here the 8, what will happen I will show you, but here I will have to show something, that means the existing photo. In this table there is only photo, and which is the table, my table name is product photos table. So here I can write select all, so like this select all from product photos, where product ID equal to this particular ID. And here you can use the order by, or you can just skip that, that is not a problem. And request ID will be here, so existing data of ID, or here request of ID, so both are okay here. So it depends how you want to show that. And if there is any total, for example result is okay, so okay, let's do that. So here you see all the photos will be shown here. So image is there, uploads is okay, here it will be only the photo. And what can be the style? The style here wide 140 or 100, both are okay. And height if you want you can give, or you can skip. Now what will be the other thing, that is I am going to just remove the other items, everything you can remove here. And here I will show one thing, that is if you want to show the data, or here what I can do, for example edit is not mandatory here, but if you want you can edit the photo from here. It actually depends, because you can edit any photo, that is okay. Or if you want you can directly delete the items, so you can straight delete the photo, there is no problem at all. So it actually depends if you want to edit or delete the data, or how you will want to edit or delete it. So it actually depends. For example, if I do not want to delete, if I do not want to edit, just you can skip this one. So this is okay. And the following one is actually in order to delete the data, but here what will be the name to delete this? I am not going to create any other items. I am just going to make it a button. So button submit, and here you can give here the class you can give btn denser and btn sm. One click this functionality you can write here, no problem here. And instead of button, you can, if you want, you can use the, if you want to use the trash, you can write here. And this is okay, this is not needed anymore. And here I can use a form to delete the data or to delete the photo. So here I cut it, and after button I am going to paste this one. So you see here action will not be this, remove. Here you see this one, and I am going to use a hidden field here. So submit is this, but I can give a name to the submit. So this is important to give a name here. I can give this name, that means here name equal to form 2. Yeah, I will add the data, that will be form 1 and name will be form 2. So this is okay. And here you see it suggests me to show photo ID. Okay, when I am going to delete the data, photo ID or product photo ID I can give here, and the value will be the row of ID. So particular that photo I will take, because I will have to delete that photo, right? So I will need that ID, so I will take it and go to the form. So now if I go to refresh, if I click on photo gallery, you see ID equal to 3 means this one. So it is okay. Photo gallery of product, the product names also come from here. I can go back, I can add the photo for this one. This is another item where ID equal to 5. ID means here product ID equal to 5. Now my task is to add the new photo here, right? If I refresh, you see product photo gallery, here I add call here MD, not MB. Now you see this is the left side. If you want, you can remove the this one you can remove and use a normal bootstrap table, no data table. Then this type of things you will be able to see here. Okay, so my task is to add a new photo. So if you want to add a new photo in the right side, for example in this location, I want to show that. So if you want to show that here, like the column D8, I will use another one with the card body. So this will be another one, so like this. So here what I will write here, total 3 items I will have to write here, so like this one. And here column D4 will be there, and here I can write the form. It is okay, not multiple. Here they are suggesting me this, but form group okay. Button is upload or submit. Here submit. Here select photo, or here you can just write the photo. Mandatory field, name equal to only photo, ID not needed, multiple not needed, form control also not needed in case of here. And here the name equal to form 1. So you will just try to upload a photo and then submit it, and it will take you to the page where I am. That means for the particular product photo, particular product ID, the new photo will be added. So where I can go to the top, and in the top I can use a form 1, that means data add. So data add code means I am going to copy the thing from product category create. So from here I am going to copy this one, and in the product photo gallery top I am going to paste it. So this is the form 1. So when I will check the form 1, actually there is no data like this. So it will be files photo of this, and if path equal to empty, please select a photo that will be there. Here the name of the photo will be hot. So here I can use, it is actually the product photo, right? So product photo, product underscore photo underscore, then something it will come. For the featured photo, product underscore photo name will come. That means the time function value. And in this case, product underscore photo underscore, then the time function value of the current timestamp will come here. And if there is any error, please upload a photo. So okay. And if there is no error, then what I will do, I will, for example, image resize is also okay. You can write here as this is a product photo, you can write here 400 by 500 that I applied. In the case of product create, what I did, 420 by 500. Okay, so the same thing I can use here, that can be 420 by 500 here. Move uploaded file not needed, I remove it. So this is the thing, destination, source, image resize, this is okay. So I am going to insert the data into product photos table. Here it will be product photos table, and here only photo is there. So I remove this one, and this parameter I need to remove this one. And in the bottom, what I will do here, post name, but here insert into here this one, here will be only on item. So file name will be here. But another one, in the product photos table there is a product ID. So product ID I can put here. So another one will come. And in this case, what is the product ID? Product ID is equal to request of ID. Because in this page, though form submitted, but the request of ID is in my hand, because you see in the top ID equal to 5 already in my hand. And now product photo, here after the success, here you can write here product photo has been added successfully, and I will be in the same page product photo gallery and question ID equal to request of ID. And if there is any error, the same thing will be happen and link will be changed to this. So now if I refresh, you see in the right side there is this one, and in the left side this one is coming. And if there is no photo for the first time, here I can write the total equal to this, and here you can write if total equal to 0, then here will be td call span 3. Okay, that also looks good. So no photo found, something like that will come here. And here you can write text danger. So refresh, you see no photo found. So first time it will look like this, but when I will submit and upload a photo, so you check that what comes. This one is photo, submit, you see it is coming. Show all products, for this no gallery, but for this you see this is on item. And now I am going to add another item, submit, you see it is coming. And if I go to the here, that is the product underscore photo, these two items added. So that means here product photos are loading or coming, and the product main product table is this. So product ID is coming here also. If I want to add the product for another this one, for example, now I am going to add the product for this one, and I am going to add this one, these two items. If I want to add this one, 3 items is for this product and 2 item was for this product. Now here I can add more, so something like that. Now for example, this is another photo gallery. I can add like this one, then I can add like this. There is another gallery, that means this gallery. So here I am going to add some items randomly, and then there is this one. Here I am going to add this and going to add this. After that this one, and here I am going to add this one, and also going to add it can be here. So another one comes here. So total 3 items I try to add here. So here 3 items, and here I add another item, 3 item, and now here if I come here, 3 item already there. Here you see 2 item, here I add another one, so that can be here 3 item. So in this way I add multiple items for many variations. Now I am going to add something. For example, this blue color bag, I want to add something that I will remove. So this one, for example, so this one I will remove. Okay, so if you go here, from here it will be removed, and also from the folder where I added this, the last one is probably this one, so it will be removed. So if I click on here, what will happen? You see, if I click on here, then it will come to the form 2 and product photo ID will be in my hand. So what thing I will apply here? First I will unlink that particular photo. So here like the form 1, I am going to use this, I am going to copy this, and here I am going to paste it. Here it will be form 2. So what is my first task? My first task is to show, and I am going to remove it. First is select all from product photos, and I am going to check the ID. ID means here product photo ID. Okay, and after that I will just use the row of, not row, face is okay, I use the face, but here I use the result, it is better. So now I am going to unlink the photo. Which photo? The result of this will be the existing photo. The result of photo will be unlinked, and after that I will delete data from the product photos, like this product photos where ID equal to this, and this one will be here. And here product photo has been here, I will write deleted successfully, and it will back to the same page. So now let's do that. You see, now if I remove it, you see there are 2 yellow photos, this one and this one, there is no other photos. So if I remove this one, okay, you see it is deleted from here. If I go here, you see only one yellow photo is there, another one that was after this, that is not present. So that means that is deleted from here. If I refresh, you see that is also deleted from here.